Star fruit juice is one of the most delicious and nutritious juices around. It has a sweet, tangy taste that is sure to satisfy your thirst for something refreshing. Starfruit juice can be enjoyed by people of all ages, too. But what are some benefits of starfruit juice? Let's find out below. 5 benefits of starfruit juice. 1. Belly filling. Starfruit juice is packed full of fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied. It can also help regulate your blood sugar levels after eating a meal. 2. Alkalizing properties. Starfruit juice is an alkaline food, meaning it will help to detoxify and balance your pH levels. This is important if you are prone to getting sick often. 3. Antioxidant Powerhouse. In addition to its alkalizing properties, starfruit juice is also extremely high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are important because they protect our cells and prevent them from being damaged by free radicals, harmful molecules. Free radical damage can lead to many diseases like cancer, so it's a good idea to drink your starfruit juice. 4. Prevents disease. Starfruit juice is rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help prevent cancer and other diseases. Vitamin C is also essential for building connective tissue and keeping our immune system healthy. 5. Weight loss. Starfruit juice is a low-sugar drink, so it's a great choice if you are looking to lose weight. It also contains potassium and fibers, which can help lower blood pressure.